Alrighty, it is 4 days until opening. Also an experiment to test out how good my phone will shoot at night. So this is the view from the queue line. Their little roof. Keep saying little roof. Awesome, amazing roof. Alright, going in the front door. Portal to another dimension. Dark hallway. Do you take your toad in a spoon? Here's the paintings with the secret blacklight painting over them. There's the owl. I whacked the poor guy. There we go. Now stand up. It's going to be a little, I keep saying little. There's going to be a light inside the fireplace. So the tarantula will show up a lot better. This is the only room that's unfinished. That's why there's a pile of bodies there. Focus, phone. There we go. See, it doesn't seem to like the blacklight room. Although these plastic flaps we have, the white ones kind of glow a little bit. Although it could be just some grime on it that's glowing. Get a few more masks down there. Those have another purpose. That's the end. Ta-da! I could be wrong, but I think we have a full moon tonight.